If you get embarrassed or worried about leaking every time you laugh or cough, comment yes if this has happened to you and listen carefully.
Start by mixing rosemary, chamomile, some star anise, and cloves into a hot pot with water. Boil with enough water and drink it warm twice a day. This strengthens the bladder, helps control involuntary leaks, and also reduces inflammation. My name is Arlene, and my goal is to help 1 million women and men to not leak anymore. Comment yes and follow for more advice.